guys, I went out thrifting today and I found some really cute fall things and one Christmas thing that I think I'm going to put together. You guys are going to love these. I spent less than $50 and I think they're going to be really cute. My cousin and I are starting called a Creative Crafters Market, and so we're getting ready to kick off our first craft show in end of October. So anyway, I'm figuring out what I can do instead of reinventing the wheel of making a bunch of things from start to finish. I'll buy some things and embellish and do repurposing. So that's what I've got planned. So let me show you what I've got. Hey guys, isn't this pumpkin just cute as it can be? And then I picked this up here, this little family thing. And I think I'm gonna paint it an orange color. And I'll probably put it in the middle there. And I'll probably put some more embellishments of fall through here and stuff and just, you know, kind of spruce it up a little bit. And I'll probably sell it for about $25. I paid $12 for it. Then I have this little candle holder that I paid $1 for. And I've got some plans for it for the fall. And I'll show you what we're going to do with that. Then I have this little squirrely guy. You know, when I see something, sometimes that's just how my mind works. I see something kind of squirrely, I gotta have it. And he's just squirrely enough I had to have. His beak's even welded, crooked, and scrunched together. I said, you know, you gotta come home with me. And I'll spruce him up with some stuff and I'll sell him probably, I think I got him for $6.99. I'll turn around and sell him for like $15, $20 when I'm done. This little container I got for $1.50. And I'll take the owl out and I'll put like a little something in there. But guys, this was my favorite thing. Let me show you. I got this wash tub. Look at it. Look at this. Isn't it? I mean, it's just too cute. $6.99 for that. So, and then I got this little guy for $5.99. So for $6, but for $12 I got these two, and I'm thinking about putting a bunch of greenery with some lights in here. Maybe a Christmas tree right there, I don't know. I was kind of thinking of maybe an old-fashioned lantern maybe going in there with some, like a tea light in it. I don't know. Guys, give me some ideas what you think we can do with this. I just think it's going to be so cute. I just do. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you some thrifting that I did. Like I said, less than $50. Come on, and I'll turn around and make a great profit off of this.